Hello everyone, welcome back to another video from Channel Guide Hub. In this video, I am going to show you how to contact customer support of Mastodon app. If you open the app, you will land on the home page. Here, you can see posts from the people that you follow. On the bottom of the screen, you can see many icons. If you tap on the Explore, you can search for people that you want to follow. And if you tap on Notification, you can see who followed you or any activity that might happen in your account. And if you tap on your profile, your own profile will appear and you can customize here how you want to appear. So in order to contact customer support of Mastodon app, you cannot directly contact from the app. You have to write a separate email to the app developers. You can write them an email on staff@mastodon.social. When you are writing the email, just make sure that you have adequate description of what your problem is actually about, and then your problem should be addressed by the staffs. I hope this helped you. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, hit subscribe and let me know in the comments if you have any queries. Thank you for watching.